When I was finished, I put the bobbin back in the socket and make sure my thread was in the correct position. I closed up the section and was ready to make sewing my hobby again. I had missed the sewing machine so much. It was in storage for over 8 years, and I had totally forget how much joy it brought me to actually sew and be creating. Now I was ready to test out my sewing machine and make sure everything was going as perfect as I thought it would have. And to my surprise, the machine was sewing perfectly. I just had one problem. I got it fixed. I figured it out. And now I'm on my way to creating beautiful pieces with my Singer sewing machine that I had in storage for a good couple of years, and I'm very happy I get to use it again instead of buying a brand new sewing machine. I actually get to save me some money, and I am really happy about this. Very happy. Look at me sewing in a circle, just going, didn't want to stop, just having a great time because what? The sewing machine that I thought was broken years ago because I just couldn't figure out why the thread was breaking, I finally did. And here I am about to observe the stitches, and to my surprise, everything is going great. I was using a red thread to sew, and it may not be so obvious in the video, but I'm sure you can somehow see that everything is great. I had this tie and dye piece of cotton fabric that I had left over from some project before, and this is what I tested it out on. The polyester fabric didn't work that much, but now I know that I can use cotton and many other types of fabric. So there you have it, guys. Thank